How's it going, guys? This is Ben, and the Kratos 5-wheel from Kabuki Strength just arrived. I have my friend Miguel over. We're gonna set it up. I'm gonna start the timer, and from start to finish, you're going to find out how long it took us to set it up, and hopefully it goes well and smooth. I got the stud finder. He has his tool set. We're gonna get it started. See you soon. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is Ben. This is my friend Miguel. We were able to get it set up. Honestly, it's simple, but the instructions suck. On a scale of A to F, what do you give the instructions, Miguel?
1.
1 on a scale of A to F is a 1. It means it sucks. Okay, they weren't good. It's a great device. We figured out how to adjust the cable. That also wasn't in instructions. So for the folks who are at Kabuki Strength, awesome product, but guys, please supply us with better instructions versus us having to figure it out on our own, okay? I hope that you found this video informative. And just a quick example, I spin and pull, just resistance, resistance, resistance. The harder you pull, the harder it's gonna bring you back, okay? Stop. Good. All right. So this has been, this is my homeboy Miguel. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, God. In the beginning of this video, I'm sure that you saw the setup with me and Miguel. Thanks to his help, it took us roughly an hour and a half. Yeah, because we started at 6 p.m. and we finished at around 7:30 p.m. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you 3 exercises. I'm going to show you a cable face pull, and then after that, I'm going to bring you to the bottom. I'm going to show you a regular row from bottom position, and then I'm going to show you the belt squats. So here we go. So I have my angles 90 grips right there. I start the device, and then I pull, 2, 3, 4, 5. I pull harder. Let's bring back harder. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these off. Just pull this device right here. And you pull the clip, and then it releases. Right here. 1, 2. To release from the vertical mount. Press this button, comes down. And then we'll put it in the middle. And as easy as that, it's locked in. So from right here, this is the tricky part, guys. You just want to make sure that, see that? See that? So now I'm adjusting. So now I'm adjusting the length. What I noticed is when I looked at Chris giving the instructions on Kabuki strength, and I believe one other gentleman that works for Kabuki as well, it made it seem like so simple, and it is, but you just want to make sure that after you do this, you see that pull, and that's when you're going to know that it's the length that you want it to be. Okay, so when you lift, it's going to, so when you lift this part right here on the flywheel, rope's going to adjust and get locked into where you need it to be. So I'm gonna get my belt. Right there. I lock it in. So it comes with 2 discs. It comes with a medium and it comes with the XL. Right now, because I was just doing the hand motions, I was using the medium. For legs, you're gonna want to use the XL, but for right now, I'm gonna keep the medium flywheel on. So sometimes you push it up and it doesn't pull in. So there it is, right there. Okay. So go. And it comes back. There we go. And if you don't want it as tight, right there, this is where ideally you would want it. Come up just a little bit. You bring it back down, and then start it up. Okay, there it is. So I unlock. And get my grip. Last thing is going to be the single cable row. So obviously this isn't enough. So I'm right here. I lift. And I think that's good enough. So I'm right here. I make sure it's tight. Spin, and there you go. And guys, that's it for the Kratos flywheel. For a garage gym, I highly recommend it. You're able to do multiple exercises utilizing a minimum amount of space. This has been like, comment, share. Support your boy. Don't forget to subscribe. Until then,